Welcome back to Luxury Yacht Hub. Today, we step aboard one of the most legendary classic superyachts ever built, MARALA. Originally launched in 1931, this magnificent vessel has survived nearly a century of maritime history while continuing to captivate yacht enthusiasts around the world. Beautifully restored and meticulously maintained, MARALA is far more than a luxury yacht. She is a living masterpiece that represents the golden age of yachting, where craftsmanship, elegance, and engineering came together to create timeless icons of the sea. As MARALA comes into view, her graceful silhouette immediately stands apart from modern superyachts. Her long bow, elegant sheer line, polished teak decks, and beautifully proportioned superstructure reflect an era when every yacht was handcrafted with extraordinary attention to detail. Even after more than 90 years, her appearance remains both sophisticated and unforgettable. Built in 1931 by one of Europe's most respected shipyards, MARALA was created during a period when luxury yachts were symbols of prestige, innovation, and exceptional craftsmanship. Every structural component was designed to withstand decades of ocean voyages while providing unmatched comfort for distinguished owners and guests. Unlike many vessels from the early 20th century, MARALA has benefited from extensive restoration projects that carefully preserved her original character while incorporating modern marine technology. The result is a rare balance between historic authenticity and contemporary luxury. Stepping aboard, guests are welcomed by expansive teak decks that immediately reveal the remarkable quality of traditional yacht construction. Every plank has been carefully maintained, preserving the warm character that only natural wood can provide after decades at sea. The spacious aft deck offers an inviting outdoor lounge where guests can relax while enjoying uninterrupted ocean views. Comfortable seating, elegant dining arrangements, and classic polished wood details create an atmosphere reminiscent of the glamorous yachting lifestyle of the 1930s. Entering the main salon feels like stepping into a floating private residence from another era. Rich mahogany paneling, handcrafted cabinetry, brass fixtures, crystal lighting, and luxurious furnishings combine to create an atmosphere of timeless sophistication. Every room reflects the remarkable artistry of craftsmen whose work continues to impress nearly a century later. Large windows allow natural light to illuminate the interior while framing breathtaking views of the surrounding sea. Soft fabrics, classic artwork, antique decorative pieces, and carefully restored original features preserve the yacht's historical character without compromising comfort. The formal dining room remains one of MARALA's most elegant spaces. A beautifully crafted dining table, surrounded by finely upholstered chairs, creates the perfect setting for unforgettable dinners while cruising along the Mediterranean coastline or anchored in secluded bays. Adjacent to the dining area lies the professionally upgraded galley. Although the yacht retains its historic appearance, modern culinary equipment has been discreetly integrated behind traditional finishes, allowing onboard chefs to prepare gourmet cuisine to contemporary standards. The owner's suite offers a peaceful retreat where classic elegance meets modern comfort. Beautiful wood paneling, luxurious bedding, generous storage, and carefully restored architectural details create an atmosphere that few modern yachts can replicate. Every corner tells a story of maritime heritage while providing the comfort expected aboard today's finest vessels. Guest accommodations continue the same exceptional standard throughout the yacht. Spacious cabins feature individually designed interiors, elegant bathrooms, premium materials, and subtle modern conveniences that enhance the experience without disturbing the yacht's historic charm. Moving toward the bridge, visitors discover one of MARALA's most fascinating transformations. While the original wheelhouse design has been carefully preserved, today's navigation equipment includes advanced GPS systems, electronic chart displays, radar, satellite communications, engine monitoring systems, and digital navigation technology hidden within the classic surroundings. This seamless integration allows the captain to safely navigate modern shipping routes while maintaining the authentic appearance that defines MARALA's unique character. Deep within the engine room, another remarkable story unfolds. Modern mechanical systems have replaced or upgraded much of the original propulsion equipment while respecting the yacht's historic integrity. Efficient engines, improved electrical systems, updated generators, and advanced engineering technologies ensure dependable performance during extended voyages. Safety has also been comprehensively modernized. Fire detection systems, emergency communications, life-saving equipment, stabilization technology, and updated structural inspections allow MARALA to meet today's rigorous operational standards while preserving her remarkable legacy. One of the yacht's greatest achievements is the careful balance between restoration and preservation. Rather than transforming MARALA into an entirely modern vessel, restoration specialists focused on protecting her historical identity while introducing carefully selected improvements that enhance reliability, comfort, and safety. Outdoor living spaces continue across multiple decks. The upper deck offers panoramic views perfect for relaxing beneath the sun, enjoying evening cocktails, or watching spectacular sunsets over the Mediterranean Sea. Every seating area has been designed to complement the yacht's elegant proportions without overwhelming her classic appearance. MARALA's enduring beauty has made her a familiar presence at prestigious yacht gatherings around the world. She frequently attracts admiration during classic yacht regattas, international boat shows, and luxury maritime events, where enthusiasts appreciate her remarkable preservation and historical significance. Unlike many contemporary superyachts that emphasize futuristic styling, MARALA demonstrates that true elegance never becomes outdated. Her graceful lines, handcrafted interiors, and timeless proportions continue attracting attention wherever she travels. The crew aboard MARALA plays a vital role in preserving her legacy. Skilled engineers, restoration specialists, hospitality professionals, deck officers, and experienced captains work continuously to maintain every aspect of the yacht, ensuring future generations will continue to admire this floating masterpiece. Owning a yacht like MARALA is not simply about luxury. It is about becoming the guardian of an important piece of maritime history. Every voyage continues a story that began in 1931, connecting nearly a century of ocean exploration, craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. As MARALA glides gracefully across calm waters, her polished hull reflects both the past and the present. She represents an era when yachts were built to last generations, combining extraordinary engineering with artistic craftsmanship that remains virtually unmatched today. The 1931 MARALA continues proving that true beauty does not fade with time. Instead, it grows stronger through careful preservation, dedicated restoration, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Nearly 100 years after her launch, she remains one of the world's most admired classic superyachts and a shining example of maritime heritage. Thank you for joining Luxury Yacht Hub for this exclusive tour inside the legendary 1931 MARALA. If you enjoyed this incredible journey through yachting history, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Luxury Yacht Hub, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest luxury yacht tours, classic superyacht features, maritime history, and exclusive vessel walkthroughs from around the world. Until next time, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next unforgettable voyage.